India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and vast heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone equally to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India's will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
This news bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VIII Sapphire. Happy morning, everyone. My name is Bondage of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today's international news. NASA asteroid Smith Williams, who was struck at the space station from months, retired within a year of returning. US agrees Europe to avoid reflect angry over Greenland. Thank you. Happy New Year.
I am B. Mahendra of Grade Sapphire. I am here to say international news. BJP President Nitin Nabin gets jet security covers from CRPF. Thank you.
Everyone, today's state and sport news is brought to you by Prajalsa from Grade-VIII Sapphire. State news: a true crime documentary on violence against women in Telangana. Sport news: India versus New Zealand 4th ODI. India won by 49 runs. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by K. Sheshwadan from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 0%. Humidity 35%. Wind speed 6 km per hour. Thank you. Have a nice day.
B. Banaprasad from Grade-VIII Sapphire. I am here to tell a thought. Read thousands of books and your words will flow like a river. Thank you.
Everyone, today's word is brought to you by Vamshi from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Pride, meaning a feeling of happiness and satisfaction. I will repeat again. A feeling of happiness and satisfaction. Friends, please spell after me. Pride. 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 Thank you.
J. from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Here to ask an GK question. Question for 7th grade. What is opposite of ancient? Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is modern. Question for let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. A sentence that expresses the strong emotion is called. Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is exclamatory. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. What is personification? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. The answer is human qualities given. Open questions. What is synonym? Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is a word with the same meaning. Let us appreciate them. And what is biography? Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is life story. Let us appreciate them. Identify the tense. Sun rises in the east. Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is simple present tense. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very happy morning, everyone. Today's speech is brought to you by Venkatesh of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today, I like to speak a few words about a farmer, the backbone of our country. Farmers work hard to grow food we eat every day. They wake up early in the morning and work in their fields, in hot sun, rain and cold. As a students, we can show our respect to farmers by not wasting any food and being thankful for what we have. At last, I want to say a quotation: no farmer, no food, no food, no future. Thank you.
Myself Ajay. Myself Nishit. Today we are going to do conversation about aim in our life. Hi Nishit, have you decided what you want to become in the future?
Yes, Ajay, I have. My aim in life is to become a doctor. What about you?
I want to become an engineering. I enjoy solving problems and building new things.
Why did you choose engineering, Ajay?
Because technology is developing faster and I want to contribute a useful thing to my society. Why do you want to become a doctor?
I like helping people. I feel very happy when I see someone healthy because of my help.
Our both aims need a lot of hard work and patience.
True, we must study sincerely and stay focused on our goals.
If we don't give up, we can definitely achieve our goals. Yes, Ajay. Let's encourage each other and work hard for a bright future. Thank you.